Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how can you shut down a Windows or a Linux machine by writing a Python script. So to achieve this, I have written two Python script, one for the Windows, another for the Linux. So let's discuss the Windows script, Python script first. So to achieve this, what I have done, I have used one of the inbuilt module of Python OS or operating system module. So this module will provide us or exposes inbuilt methods or the interfaces to directly interact with the operating system kernel. So I have imported this module in my Python script first. After that, I have declared a variable shutdown. So what is the work of this variable and how you are going to use this variable? So with this variable, I'm going to store a value yes or no, which is going to pass by the user, or user will give us an input from the command line interface when this script will execute. So if you see, I have used to collect this value from the command line interface, I have used one method called input. So when the program will execute, this input method will collect a value yes or no from the user. And if user presses no, then I am going to terminate execution of this Python script, and I have restricted any execution of the command if user press no. But if user press yes, I have written a command to shut down the system. I have commented out for the demonstration purpose. But if you want to like shut down your system, then you can enable this. You can enable this lines of code. So instead of for the demonstration purpose, what I have done, I have enabled this line of code because uh, I'll just show you an example like how this os.system method is basically working. So what does this os.system method will do generally? So os.system method execute the command as a string in a subshell. This method is implemented by calling the standard C function system and has the same limitation. So if command generates any output, it is sent to the interpreter standard output stream. Whenever this method is used, then the respective cell of the operating system is opened and the command is executed on it. So as a summary, so this is an extension of the standard C language system function. So it will basically open the operating system command prompt, and whatever the command you are passing as a string, so it will execute that and you will achieve your goal. So let's run this script and let's see how it works. So first I'm going to run this script, and I'll press no. So if you see, the program has been terminated, no command has been executed. Let me run the script again. So now I'll press yes. So now if you see, one new Windows or one new notepad will open on your system, and I'll just close this notepad. Let's go to the Python script again. So again, like if you want to shut down your system, so you have to enable this lines of code, and here basically I'm passing one of the commands shutdown for the Windows, and it will go and shut down the Windows system. So let's go and see how it works with the Linux system. As for the Linux system, similar way, I have imported the module OS module first, and after that I am taking this input yes or no from the command line interface from the user. And similar way, I have a condition here: if C is equal to no, then I am going to terminate this program execution, and if user pass yes as a input, then I'm going to power off or shut down the Linux machine. So this is the command to shut down or power off the Linux machine. So this is the two Python script. By using this, we can shut down our Windows or Linux machine. And I have uploaded this code in the GitHub repository. So, and I have given the GitHub repository link on the description. And there is a blog. Uh, I have also written a blog like how can you shut down a Windows or Linux machine. So that blog link also I have given in the description. So please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you.